Hello and welcome to another update on Solana. I see some movement on the Solana chart, some movement, some upside after the price reacted to that $197.27 level. So I think in the previous video, if I remember correctly, I explained to you that I would expect the price to reach either the 61.8 retracement or 78.6 retracement next. It reached the 61.8 VIP level and we have seen a reaction. But is this something really meaningful? Now, first of all, I want to stay only on the shorter time frame in this video because bigger picture hasn't changed. And also because, this is not where we have actually a reaction to one of the pivots here on the chart, to one of the key levels, specifically the 61.8 retracement at $197.27, which is, the 61.8 retracement of the rally that started on the 25th of August. This is a pullback, and ideally we're holding a higher low and could then grind higher from there. But obviously, this is highly speculative. It's weekend. It's Labor Day weekend even. I do not trust any breakout attempt from here. These are shenanigans, you could say. This is nothing, at the moment at least, that would be in any way a confirmation for a trend reversal. Why? Because it's only a 3-wave move up so far. Hey, if we get 5 waves up from that low, that would be a decent signal that we could have bottomed. In addition to that, we need to understand, though, that the yellow trend line is still there and it needs to be overcome. It needs to be broken. Yeah, I mean, for now, support holds, but can we also make the move above this trend line, which is currently coming in pretty much exactly at $215? Yeah. So this would be here the yellow line. Yeah, this is the next key level to watch, obviously. And any break above this line and the previous swing high, which formed this week on Friday at $218, well, that would be a good confirmation we're actually moving up probably towards $250. So as I said, we only have a 3-wave move up. I think everybody can see that. And that's exactly the level where it would normally break down again. We have here 3 waves up. Could easily be an ABC structure with another low to come. It would not be surprising at all. And especially on a weekend, Labor Day weekend, I'm not sure if we have the volume to drive the price higher. A bit of a bounce was expected from this support zone. Obviously, it's not unusual to see a reaction to a support zone. Also because for the Bitcoin chart, the agenda on the weekend was for slightly higher prices, right? So I think the bottom line is we need to see if the bulls can take this higher in 5 waves. I doubt it over the weekend, but I'm happy to be impressed. And if we get a break above these technical levels that I mentioned, then the focus is on $250 plus. Now, what if we now really just break down? I think that's quite likely. If this stays really a 3-wave move up, what are the levels that would trigger a breakdown? Well, any move below the last swing low, obviously the intraday low would open the door to another test of $192. But I gotta say, if we then break below that one as well, the 78.6 retracement, then it becomes more probable that we're actually in a deeper B-wave pullback, which could send us into the lower support region. Yeah. Reminder, in the orange scenario, the B-wave already bottomed. In the white scenario, the B-wave is still unfolding. Basically going to lead to the same result as long as we're holding the $166.20 level. So yeah, main focus here on the upper support area and the price action here to see whether it can develop a 5-wave pattern. That's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, chart updates, news, and much more. You can find the links in the description and also in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.